Hey, have you ever wondered if there's a sneaky Forex broker? Lurking in the shadows, ready to snap up all your money. And you want to dive into this wild world of the Forex trading? Well, that's what WikiFX does. WikiFX, we just uncovered the shocking truth of Crypto24FX. Let me tell you, it's not a pretty picture. Crypto24X, they only score a measly 1 out of 10 on WikiFX. Look, WikiFX, we investigated this so-called reliable broker. And what we found will blow your mind. Crypto24FX, they claim to be licensed by a US financial institute, but they're nowhere to be found on the National Futures Association. That's where all of them have to go. They're not even registered on the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or the CFTC. So, Crypto24X offers 3 types of trading accounts. The so-called silver account type, which requires a minimum deposit of $500. The so-called gold account type, which requires a minimum deposit of $5,000. That's ridiculous. And what's up with these insane ROI guarantees? 50% in just 5 days? 200% in 24 days? Excuse me? This is legit. Brokers don't play that game. It's a sneaky tactic to snatch your miller, and you need to run. Not to mention that Crypto24X has the audacity to offer a leverage ratio of 1 to 400. Legit, UK brokers would never even allow that. The EU and England, they're limited to a maximum of 1 to 30. Over-leveraged Forex brokers is a recipe for disaster, especially for the beginners. Now, let's talk about their web-based trading platform. It's as basic as it gets. You can't even compare it to a licensed broker software like MetaTrader 4 or 5. That's just seriously big red flag to traders out there. Seriously, they didn't even bother to put in the effort. Don't let these scammers take advantage of you. Protect your investments, do your research, and ask the right questions. Check out WikiFX for trusted brokers. Remember, the Forex world is full of scams, but with the right knowledge, you can avoid falling into these traps. So, if we can expose these scams, warn others, and stick together, we can create this safer trading environment. So stay savvy, stay informed, and as always, stay safe out there, traders.